We'll show you how to transform a stacked bar graph into a Gantt chart in Word and how to make a Gantt chart using templates in Excel. Creating a Gantt chart from scratch in Word. Create a blank Microsoft Word document. Change the orientation to landscape. Click the Layout tab, Orientation and Landscape. Click the Insert menu. Click Chart, Bar Options. Select the stacked bar chart and click OK. Enter the data for your Gantt chart. In the small Excel-looking window that appeared, replace the example text with your own text. Format the dates in the chart. Select the 2 columns containing your dates. Right-click the highlighted columns and select Format Cells. Click Date in the left panel. Select the format in which you want dates to display and click OK. Create a formula to calculate the duration of each task. Type equals C2 minus B2 and press Enter. Delete the End Date series. Click any of the blue bars. Remove the fill from the blue bars. Click the paint can icon at the top of the right panel. Expand the Fill section and then click No Fill. Reverse the task order. Click the Chart Options menu. Select Vertical, Category Axis. Expand the Axis Options heading. Check the box next to Categories in Reverse Order. Customize your chart. Click the chart. Select the chart design. Save your Gantt chart. Using a Gantt chart template in Excel. Open Microsoft Excel. Click New. Search for Gantt templates. Click a Gantt template to check it out. For a simple dated Gantt chart format with space for multiple phases, try the simple Gantt chart template. This chart lets you enter a start date, specify tasks and their assigned owners. Try the date tracking Gantt chart for an easy-to-use date-oriented Gantt chart. Agile Gantt chart for a similar template but with agile terms, including the ability to mark risk levels and specify task owners. Click Create to create your chart. Find the instructions for the template you selected. Fill out the details for your chart. Save your Gantt chart. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.